Inofia Tri-fold mattress surface is composed of the bamboo fiber surface. Gray mesh side. The foam layer is made of 1.5 inches memory foam on 2.5 inches supporting foam base. Inofia Twin Tri-fold mattress in flat position measures 78 inches by 38 inches by 4 inches. When folded, it measures 38 inches by 26 inches by 12 inches. The mattress includes a removable jacquard super soft bamboo fiber cover. Breathable and comfortable. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Inofia Brands Smart Packaging. Inofia Brands also uses smart packaging. Our advanced packaging technology means we can roll pack our mattresses and ship them at 1/3 of the normal size, which will make them delivered to our customers more conveniently. A mattress that is roll packed still retains its initial quality, as each will quickly recover and return to its original shape after being removed from its packaging. Number 2. Removable mattress. Inofia folding mattress has 3 panels that fold in 2 positions for good ventilation. It's convenient to go anywhere and store it at home. Simply unfold the mattress on the floor in any room, mobile home, or tent. This mattress easily accommodates all your sleeping needs. Allows you to get a comfortable sleep anywhere. Folded mattress occupies little storage space and offers an almost seamless surface for lying down. Number 3. Enjoy deep sleep all night. Inofia folding mattresses are made of excellent materials, with a breathable high-density memory foam mattress structure, and to regulate the temperature during your sleep, providing additional comfort and ergonomic support, and reducing pressure on the neck and back, providing a comfortable and uninterrupted sleep experience, allowing you enjoy sleeping in a luxurious bed at home or on the go. Number 4. Inofia Guarantee. Inofia 4 inches 3-fold mattress has passed Certipore US certification. We have been committed to helping you get the best sleep from when you buy the mattress. We provide a 100-night risk-free comfort experience and a 10-year warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.